Hi, this is Miss Lynn, and I wanted to give you a short little video to help you with the final piece of our final project in computer literacy, the presentation. If you go to our course content, we're still working in Unit 11 and 11.02 final project, the presentation Dropbox. Inside there you will find the directions, the PDF document of the directions, and you are going to promote the fitness center by making a presentation at an upcoming conference for the local Chamber of Commerce. So you're going to start off with a 4-slide presentation that you will create in PowerPoint. Exactly what you need to have written on each slide is right here for you. So we're going to go ahead and put this instruction sheet side by side with PowerPoint, starting with a new blank presentation. You do have a lot of formatting options that you can choose, so you can go ahead and go to your design tab and pick a scheme, a color scheme, a slide design that you want to work with. So I'm just going to pick this one to start with, and then of course you could always make changes to it down the road. So the first slide is going to be our title slide, Unique Physique, and the subtitle is going to be Reshape Your Body and Mind. And then you're going to have 3 more slides. So from our home tab, we're just going to do a new slide for slide 2. It's going to have Colorado is always in season for the title. And then you're going to have a bullet for spring. Underneath that, you can tab for a sub-bullet, kayaking, hot air ballooning, fine dining. Shift tab for summer to bring it back out. Press enter, and then tab or indent for mountain biking, relaxing by the pool, and golfing. Autumn, festivals, beautiful foliage, and hiking. And then lastly, winter, snowboarding, reading by the fire, and skiing. And again, with these you can increase the indent or decrease the indent of any of those bullets. We're going to make a new slide for slide 3. We'll do 2 content so we can insert a picture. The instructions again then. Slide 3 is going to have new at Unique Physique. It's going to say upgraded. And then the first bullet is going to be upgraded facility, new easy glide equipment, and expanded services. And then the same thing for slide 4. We'll do a new slide, and we can have the title, Visiting Unique Physique, special and group rates available, complimentary juices, and free personal assessment. Once you have your slides created, then you're going to format them. On slide 1, you're going to change the title. Make sure it's size 72 and make it italics. Your font color should be good with your scheme that you chose. You do want to add a picture to slide 1. On slide 2, we're also going to add a picture, and we'll format the text. We've already got it formatted. And then on slides 3 and 4, You can also format the text if you have not already done so and add pictures. So you need to have a picture on each slide. Remember, you can do insert and you can look for images online. So we can have fitness center, you can have something about Colorado, you could have unique something about the mountains. So whatever pictures that you think look appropriate for the presentation. You want to have an image on each slide. And also, if you have chosen this 2-slide content, you'll have your bullets on one side and you can have your pictures on the other. So again, you're going to have 4 slides with pictures. Okay. At the end, you're going to add an additional slide, a thank you slide for the audience. So maybe for this one, you could have something different. You could have like, thank you, and add some information there. And then you're going to have animations to your bullets and transitions between your slides. So remember, your transitions are going to be how you change from one slide to the next. So you can just go through and apply a different transition or the same one to each of these. And then lastly, you're going to apply animations to all of your bullets. So if you select your text frame here and you go to the animations tab, you can have them fly in one at a time. You can do the same thing, or you could do even a different one for a different slide. You just don't want to keep them too busy. You know, you want to kind of keep it simple. So transitions to all your slides, animations, and that should be it. Make sure that you save this in your computer literacy folder so that you can upload it into the Dropbox. So it's presentation, your name. So that is it. If you have questions, just shoot me an email. Good luck, guys.